Okay guys, I'm a few miles from the house right now. There's the birds right there going over the highway. I don't know if you can see them or not. There they are right there going over the highway. And they are cruising. I'm going to leave the camera on. The birds are going to beat me home for sure. I got to come up here about a half a mile and turn. But I'll leave the camera on. As I suspected, they're doing good. They're killing it right now. Yeah, it's only 20 miles, but they're confident in what they're doing. They come out of the right direction. We'll pull around the corner here, and I'm about a half mile down the road, and we will see the birds on the landing board, and we'll see Joe Boo out there keeping the hawks away. That's the sky puppet. I'll just keep the camera. I was hoping to beat them home, but it's kind of neat that we intersected them at the Highway 70 and the junction, actually, which was their first training toss, a little flea market up on the hill. So they come exactly out of the right direction. It's a nice day. It's nice and cool. It's probably about 70 something degrees, maybe low 70s. I imagine they'll be hanging around. Yeah, there's one bird right there still flying around. Yeah, they're already sitting on the landing board. There they go. There's some of them landing right there. There's a bunch of them piling in. There's Joe Boo flapping in the wind. That's his name. And there's the birds, folks. Like I said, the release time was 8:10. So there they are. They all came in as a group. They're healthy. We'll take them maybe tomorrow. I'm thinking maybe tomorrow we'll take them to Caney, another 6-7 miles down the road. Okay, signing off from the Sooner Challenge.